Hey everyone, this time I'm gonna try to make the video horizontal instead of being vertical, but I don't really have a good setup or anything, so I just have to use makeshift stuff to position my camera, so forgive me for that. And in this video I'm gonna show you how to pry open the Pico 4 controller casing. Because I did not in the previous video, and one of the viewers, Mars Vertigo, requested for me to explain how to do that. So I'm just gonna show it on video. Alright, so what you're gonna need for that is one of these things, preferably. As far as I know, they are called either mediators or plastic openers, or one of these things could also work. Basically, you need something with a like sharp, angular, thin, and plastic surface. I mean, metal could also work, but metal would most definitely damage the surface of the controller casing. So you really don't want to do it unless you have no other options. So, like either this. I haven't tried this myself. I mean, no, actually, I've tried this one, but I prefer to use one of this, and actually, specifically, this one. So, to pry it open, you start with this part. So how you do it? You take this end with a mediator and try to get it under the skin of the casing, if you can say skin. And there you go, it just goes there, and then you like push it to the other side. Let me try it again. Yeah. And then you just go around the casing with it. Yeah. As you can see, it already gets open. So basically, you just want to get around the keys and make it click everywhere. It might be a bit difficult, but it definitely is the way. There is no glue or screws or anything. You just like that. Yep. You want to go around the whole case and make it click everywhere. Yeah, let's see if it's good. Wait, need to take this out. Yep, and it comes out. All right. So that's how you do it. I hope this helped you. Yeah, thanks for watching. See ya.